the ultimate solution for new moms with newborns and babies up to 2 years old. With this guide, you can save time, rest well, and boost your baby's health. Discover quick and effective baby sleep guide that will help you and your little one get the rest you both deserve. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to peaceful, restful sleep for you and your baby. But you may be wondering, will this really work for my baby? Rest assured, Kid Guidance has helped 50 other moms just like you find success in getting their babies to sleep better. Over 50 customers have experienced success with Kid Guidance, finding relief from sleepless nights and enjoying better rest for themselves and their babies. Don't wait any longer to help your baby sleep better and improve your own rest. Get Baby Sleep Guidance ebook today and start seeing results right away. Find the download link below of this video.